Insurgency. Jono Armstrong's Insurgency. Insurgency, how to get penny clicks and turn them into four-figure paydays, day in, day out. With Insurgency, you get the best of both dirt cheap, laser-targeted traffic that converts. High-paying offers hand-picked for this specific method. Why Insurgency is the easiest big-ticket commission method you've ever seen. To maximize profit in the shortest time, your traffic and offers have to work together. Insurgency is the world's only system that integrates built-in penny-click traffic with top-paying offers for you to virtually automate four-figure commissions in 3 quick and easy steps. Step 1. Activate the multiple included high-ticket offers, hand-picked for the highest possible commissions and conversions. Step 2. Connect the built-in penny-click traffic just by copy and pasting exactly where we show you. No guesswork. Step 3. Collect your commissions anytime you want. Fast, hassle-free payouts. Insurgency upgrade offers, autos. Insurgency Pay, $12.97. An introduction to Facebook ads including Business Manager setup, a basic overview and explanation of the main features and ad types, custom audiences, pixels optimization and a step-by-step walkthrough on how to set up your very first ads campaign. All of the training on the Fay is done by Rashfin, one of the leading experts in Facebook ads in the affiliate marketing arena. Learn from the best and get things right the first time. Skip the trial and error, not to mention the wasted ad spend. Upgrade 1. $47. Insurgency high-ticket case studies. In this upgrade, Zeeshan will walk you through a few real-life case studies where he used Facebook ads to sell tens of thousands of dollars worth of high-ticket products as an affiliate. He breaks the whole campaign down via over-the-shoulder videos so you can follow along and replicate his results. Upgrade 2. $97. Insurgency 10x Pack. Get license rights to X10 award-winning digital products to bank 100% commissions. This is like having your own business in a box that comes with all proven to convert sales material, product and support. Use what you have learned from the Fay training to literally 10x your results with these products. Upgrade 3. $197. Unlimited traffic on demand. We're allowing buyers to place their pixels, Facebook AdWords, on our sales pages for 365 days to gather a huge AdWords or FB audience and take advantage of retargeting to a laser-targeted audience while getting penny clicks. Buyers of this package see near instant 3-figure days. Upgrade 4. $97. The high-ticket backdoor. With this upgrade, we're allowing you exclusive access to our high-ticket auto funnel. This comes complete with DFY ads and landing page and self-hosted webinar page. All you need to do is feed the funnel with penny clicks using what you have learned so far and cash in from $900 commissions. This is as simple as it gets, seriously. Upgrade 5. $167. Sell Insurgency as if it is your very own product. We have done all the work, the product, training, sales material and funnel. You get to swipe all of this and benefit from 100% funnel commissions while we handle support. Insurgency. Jono Armstrong's Insurgency.